So you're running a service business. You're juggling schedules, dispatching texts, sending invoices, and trying to keep your sanity. But here's the burning question, the one that keeps you up at night. Where does the money actually go? Does your software, the backbone of your operation, actually help you understand the financial health of your business? Or is it just another tool in the toolbox, leaving you scrambling to piece together the financial puzzle? Specifically, does Housecall Pro, the platform you might be using or considering, actually do accounting? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's face it, knowing if your business management software handles accounting is more than just a convenience. It's about control, clarity, and ultimately profitability. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Housecall Pro, let's establish a common ground. What do we even mean by accounting? It's not just about adding up receipts and balancing a checkbook. It's about a comprehensive system that tracks your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's about generating financial reports that give you a clear picture of your business's performance. It's about compliance with tax laws and regulations. It's about understanding your cash flow, your profit margins, and making informed decisions based on solid financial data. For a service business, this is even more critical. You're dealing with variable costs, fluctuating demand, and the constant need to manage cash flow. You need to know which services are profitable, which customers are costing you money, and how to optimize your pricing. You need to know if you can afford to hire another technician, invest in new equipment, or expand your service area. In the old days, this meant spreadsheets, shoeboxes of receipts, and countless hours spent manually entering data. It was a nightmare. But then came software solutions promising to streamline everything. And Housecall Pro is definitely one of the big names in this space. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Does Housecall Pro inherently function as a full-fledged accounting software like, say, QuickBooks or Xero? The short answer is not exactly. Housecall Pro excels at managing the operational side of your service business. It's a powerhouse for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, payment processing, and customer communication. It allows you to track jobs, manage your team, and streamline your workflow. You can generate professional invoices, accept payments online, and even send automated reminders, all of which are crucial for getting paid. However, when it comes to the complex world of accounting, Housecall Pro's capabilities are more focused on the transactional side. It provides tools for tracking income and expenses, but it doesn't offer the full suite of accounting features you'd find in a dedicated accounting software. Think of it like this. Housecall Pro is fantastic at capturing the data, the raw materials of your financial information. It records your sales, your payments, and your expenses related to jobs. But it doesn't necessarily process that data into the detailed financial reports you need for in-depth analysis and compliance. For instance, you can track expenses in Housecall Pro. You can categorize them and assign them to specific jobs. This is essential for understanding your job costs and calculating your profit margins. However, Housecall Pro doesn't offer features like advanced depreciation calculations, detailed balance sheet reporting, or complex financial forecasting. It's also important to note that while Housecall Pro integrates with QuickBooks Online, this integration is primarily designed to sync your sales and payment data. It doesn't necessarily transfer every single financial transaction, and you may still need to manually enter data into QuickBooks for complete accounting accuracy. So, what does this mean for you? If you're a small service business with relatively simple financial needs, Housecall Pro's built-in financial tracking features might be sufficient. You can monitor your income and expenses, track your cash flow, and get a basic understanding of your financial performance. However, if you're a growing business with more complex financial needs, you'll likely need to supplement Housecall Pro with a dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks Online or Xero. This will allow you to generate detailed financial reports, manage your taxes, and gain a deeper understanding of your financial health. Let's break down some of the specific areas where Housecall Pro shines and where it might fall short. Where Housecall Pro excels: invoicing and payment processing. Housecall Pro makes it incredibly easy to generate professional invoices, accept payments online, and track payment status. This helps you get paid faster and improve your cash flow. Expense tracking. You can track your expenses related to jobs, categorize them, and get a basic overview of your spending. Basic financial reporting, Housecall Pro offers some basic financial reports, such as sales reports and expense reports. These reports can give you a snapshot of your financial performance. QuickBooks Online Integration. Housecall Pro integrates with QuickBooks Online, allowing you to sync your sales and payment data. This can save you time and reduce data entry errors. Where Housecall Pro might fall short. Advanced accounting features. Housecall Pro doesn't offer features like advanced depreciation calculations, detailed balance sheet reporting, or complex financial forecasting. Tax management. While Housecall Pro can help you track your income and expenses, it doesn't provide comprehensive tax management tools. Financial analysis. Housecall Pro's financial reporting capabilities are limited compared to dedicated accounting software. Complex financial reporting. Creating custom reports for intricate financial analysis will require external accounting software. So, the key takeaway is that Housecall Pro is a powerful tool for managing the operational side of your service business, but it's not a replacement for a dedicated accounting software. It's essential to understand the distinction between transactional data and comprehensive accounting. If you're just starting out, you could initially rely on Housecall Pro's built-in tools. As you grow, consider pairing it with something like QuickBooks Online to get the best of both worlds. The operational efficiency of Housecall Pro and the detailed financial analysis of proper accounting software. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.